Sustainability. We hear this phrase often, but what does it mean exactly? Sustainability is not a recent trend. The term originated in forestry around 300 years ago, capturing the belief that only when less trees are felled than grow will the forest remain a natural resource for us all. Sustainability is a promise to future generations, for a reality that is not so hard to imagine, one where our natural environment takes center stage, where design and engineering merge with technology to enable environmental responsibility. This future has now begun, and shaping this far-reaching change is one of the most important tasks of the 21st century, in which the construction industry plays a decisive role. Julius Berger International is ready to do its part. Project by project, right from the start, through sustainable design and engineering that is resource-optimized, energy-efficient, and user and client-oriented. The construction, maintenance, and operation of buildings and infrastructures have a significant influence on the achievement of society's sustainability targets. Our teams of architects, MEP specialists, structural and infrastructure engineers are working day in and day out to reduce energy and material consumption, as well as greenhouse gas emissions. With a high level of expertise in integral planning and a drive towards innovation, they are constantly seeking leading-edge solutions, and together with our partners in the industry, paving the path to a better future. Because we can only shape sustainability in one way: together. Julius Berger International. We get projects up and running.